Go to browser. In address box type google.com. In search box type Telegram. Then click Telegram Desktop. Click Get Telegram for Windows by 64 to download. The download will process. After download completed, you can click the file download. You can see by click select language to use during the installation is still Chinese language. Click OK. Click Next and click Install. Wait until installation is complete. Then click Finish, then Telegram will launch. Click Start Messaging. Click Setting. Click Language. You will not see Chinese language. Go to browser. In address box type t.me/setlanguage/classic-ch-c and then enter. Click the link Chinese Simplified, add ch_cn. Click Telegram Desktop. Click Apply Language, then in Telegram will change to Chinese language, and in language setting also added Chinese language. Thank you for watching. If you don't mind, please subscribe my YouTube channel to see more videos.